Hello viewers, what a beautiful morning. Look at this. And here is the nectar for the
hummingbird.
And here you can see we have Thomas the Tank Engine on the fence. And this is the remote one. And we put Thomas the Tank Engine on the fence. And it's a remote control one. Oh, look.
I need tweeting it too.
Oh, look at that. Here you can see the track. And this is the remote control one. Let me show. I'm gonna show you the remote.
And there's two buttons. One makes a whistle. There's a remote and there's two buttons. That's where it's on. That's the whistle.
Where is the off and on button?
On the under. And then you have to start to check the remote work.
So how does it go forward?
This way. If you move, you have to move the handle forward so he can go. And you can move it backwards.
You can see it's coming backward now.
Coming backward now.
Forward.
Backward.
And all this is because of the remote. And this remote also has sound. You need to click proceed.
If you don't press it, on it.
Oh, I can see 2 stars.
Uh-huh.
You can go backward. Oh, look at that. How about forward? Oh, look at that. How about backward? Let's see with Annie and Carabel how it works. Look, oh, that looks cool. It goes backward and it can go forward. Oh, so it's quite strong, huh?
What?
Pretty strong.
I think it could carry lots of load.
No, you think so? Okay, go backward. Backward, I said.
Oh no! Stop!
Oh. Alright viewers, thank you for watching. Please make sure to subscribe and see you again. Hello viewers, how are you? Today we have awesome Mega Bloks setting. Okay, let me now show you the track we have made. This is a huge track with Mega Bloks. Here you can see we have to have some stand riser here, and that has a Mega Carnival setting. You can see. Let me now show you the top. Here you can see the station where the engines will start their journey, and they will end up all the way right here. Here we have a card to fill with golds. Look at that. And let me now show you the cards and the golds. Look how beautifully the card comes.